When people see a question like this in our Singapore mathematics curriculum, they often think it's just a volume problem. But this question is actually testing several layers of critical thinking. First, students must interpret the situation. They need to understand that the tank is a 3D object and that 1/4 full refers to volume. The diagram provides important information. Next, they have to connect fractions to measurement. The question tells us the water is 1/4 full and the water height is 4 centimeters. Students must reason that if 4 centimeters represents 1/4 of the height, then the full height must be 16 centimeters. That's not simply applying a formula, that's mathematical reasoning. Then the problem requires students to work backwards. Instead of asking how much water is in the tank, ask how much more water is needed to fill it. Students must determine the full capacity first and then find the difference. Part B introduces another layer of thinking. What's the least number of bottles needed? Students must consider whether the water divides exactly what to do if there is a remainder. That's real-world problem solving, not just arithmetic. So why does this matter? Children who can solve problems like this are developing logical reasoning, stronger working memory, and better executive function skills such as planning, monitoring, and checking their work. They're learning to move between words, diagrams, fractions, measurements, and formulas. They're developing the ability to analyze unfamiliar situations and decide what mathematics is required. This is one of the reasons students in Singapore perform so well internationally. The goal isn't simply to teach students how to calculate. The goal is to develop thinkers who can apply mathematics to solve problems they've never seen before. That's mathematical thinking. And that's far more valuable than simply getting the answers.